couple gifts here in the mail. I kind of knew who was sending them to me and what they were, but I have really no idea what's in each one of the boxes. This first one here is from David and Deanna. This second one here is from Karl of Karl's Outdoors. Hey, if you get a chance, check out Karl's channel. He really does some excellent cooking meals. Anyway, scooting right along here. So the first one here was from David and Deanna, and I keep telling them, and if you're watching, you guys need to do some cooking with Deanna videos. I'd love to see that. All right, so let's pop this sucker open and see exactly what it is. Now, I do admire his wrapping. Used my favorite material, duct tape. You cannot go wrong with duct tape. So let's try to open this without damaging the contents inside. While he didn't spare the duct tape. Definitely didn't want this sucker coming open. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to be very careful. I'm not sure if it has like a top packing or not. Get in there. There we go. Oh boy. I can already kind of see it. Oh, wow. Was not expecting this. Oh. Okay, let me pull these items out. Oh my God. David, what have you done? Let's pull these. They keep coming. Items out. Oh. Holy crap. Okay. Set this box. Okay, let's put it over here. Oh, I was expecting the packs because we were talking about these, and he was cleaning out his gear closet, and he asked me if I would be interested in them. These are the 45-liter Ozark Trails or Ozarka Trails packs you can get at Walmart, and I have seen these and always wanted to try them out, and he sent me 2 of these guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, yeah, so we got 2 packs, and one's for me, obviously, and the other one will be for Jessica. Man, we can't wait to try these out. Oh, okay. Wow, that's amazing. But we're not done yet, friends. Oxygen tablet. This is what I did not expect. He said he's going to include some other items in with the package. Look at these, David. What have you done? Oh my God, we've got 5 blades here. They're all matching, except for this sucker. Oh my God, it's the Rambo survival knife. I think, if I remember, yep. It opens up from the handle side. We can store stuff in there. It's got stuff in it. Maybe that's an oxygen tablet. Oh, I did not expect that. Okay. Let's carefully thread that on there. Was not expecting that at all. Whoopsie. Yeah, obviously it's going to need some lubrication. There we go. A Sheffield? Are you serious? What the heck? How much trouble could I get in with? How much trouble could I get in with one of these? Oh, wow. That. We're talking one for each hand here. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what else we got here. I did not expect this, David. Only the backpacks. Another Sheffield. Okay, this one's got. Okay. Awesome sauce. Once again, one for each hand. I kind of like the grip on these. These are definitely tactical blades. Okay. Oh, David, you shouldn't have, man. Should not have done this at all. Oh. Okay, we're going to move right along. I am so sidetracked right now. Now, my good friend Karl has sent me something, and where did I put his box? Karl is what I consider a master dehydrator. This guy is a magician with the dehydrator. I'm not kidding. You have got to check out his videos. He puts together some of the best meals I've ever seen. And if I'm not mistaken, when we open this up, the packaging will be beyond professional. Jeez. I'm feeling really blessed right now, friends. You don't even know. So we need to be very careful. I do not want to damage the contents of the box. Karl left one of his most awesome notes. Okay, we will read this. This is a personal note. All right, so here we have 1, 2, 3 of Karl's creations. Okay, this first one here. This is rice pudding. Oh, you put the raisins in it. Ah, thanks, Karl. I got raisins now. That's awesome, dude. I was worried about that. I was actually going to make this a while back, and I drank all the freaking almond milk because it was so good. But yeah, this is one of his desserts. Oh, ground beef stew. Sweet. I watched him dehydrate this meal on his channel. You should check that out. And him and Wild Rose went out into his backyard camp and rehydrated these, and it looks so freaking good. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, you didn't. Karl knows that I kind of like Spam. Okay, I love Spam and Deanna sausage. I know I'm weird. This is Spam and bean soup. Oh, I can't wait to try his meals out. And I want to show you this real quick. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. But he is so professional with his packaging and his instructions. I know it's going to be kind of hard to read or even see. But he writes down the ingredients, how to properly prepare it, how much water to put in there, the rehydration time, everything. I mean, this is beyond professional the way he prepares his meals. And look at this. Let's just break one out real quick. Everything vacuum sealed. Oh, these are little beef things. Are those the beans? Or the beef? Okay, let's not get into that right now. Look, everything is vacuum sealed, so you know it's going to keep from anywhere from 2 to 5 years, maybe even longer. Let's see. Oh man! Thank you, Karl. I'm actually going to be checking these out on the next time I do a Trekking Tuesday when I can sneak out. As you know, we're kind of under the lockdown right now. This is something else, friends. Once again, I'm really blessed that Karl, David, and Deanna would send me these gifts. It really means a lot to me. It really does. And you will be seeing me using all these items, including the pack. And well, the other pack, Jessica will use that in future videos. Wow. Yeah, I'm really overwhelmed here, guys. I'm serious. Woo, yeah. I've got nothing else. I'm going to go ahead and shut her down. But thanks for taking the time out of your day, friends, and stopping by and watching me do this unboxing of all these items. I'm truly blessed once again. Comments are more than welcome. And like always, friends, thanks for watching.